Hello, what's going on guys? Welcome to 5 Minute Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find Facebook drafts. But before we getting started, if you are new in this channel, make sure to leave a like in this video and subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification by pressing the bell icon. So without any further delay, let's go straight into the video. First of all, open up your Android phone and go to Facebook app. Now click, you need to let's just create a post, right? So I'm just writing here test post. Okay, so I'm just going back, and here you can see you need to click save as draft, right? Save as draft, and you need to click on that. Alright guys, so now if you go back, let's suppose just go out of okay, so if I go back and if I go to Facebook again, now here you will be able to see that you have a draft saved. Okay, so if you click, you'll get a notification, and it will be maybe it will take a minute or a couple of minutes to send you the notification. Alright guys, so now if I go to notification, and now what you need to do, you simply need to click on that. You have a draft saved, right? So if you click on that, here you can see this is the draft. So if I click on that back button, now here you'll be able to see all of your unpublished draft, right? So that's how you actually can find your drafts on Facebook. So if I click on open draft, and here you can see this is the post I have actually created earlier. So yeah, that's how you pretty much can find the Facebook drafts. And if you want to discard anything, you simply can discard and delete them. Okay guys, so that's how you can find Facebook drafts. I hope you guys understand in this video. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you so much for watching this video. And if you guys have any kind of question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. We will see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned with 5 Minute Solution.